Winters are approaching, and so is pollution. As states, cities in the northern India feel the arrival of cold breeze, we also can't deny that this is the time when the region faces air pollution reaching its peak levels. So let's focus on Delhi, which is not only the country's capital but is also becoming the capital of pollution. The national capital of India witnesses increased level of pollution every year, but why? Due to its geographical location, it faces a double-sided war with pollution arising due to diesel-petrol vehicles and industrial output. The air quality index in the city is also affected due to the stubble burning in neighboring states such as Haryana and Punjab. Already, even before Diwali, and just at the beginning of the arrival of winters, the air quality has entered poor category and is expected to worsen further in the national capital. Air pollution is a serious matter as it may cause severe health issues when exposed repeatedly. But how does it affect? Let's talk about it. The air pollution is caused due to the presence of substances like ammonia, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrous oxide, methane, and other biological molecules in the air. A living being exposed to air pollution can initially face problems such as breathing issues, headache. However, when exposed constantly and regularly, it may cause serious health issues such as chronic respiratory diseases, lung cancer, heart disease, and even damage to the brain and nerves, liver, and kidneys. Since air pollution is a serious issue, let's talk about how Delhi is preparing to tackle it this fall. Well, among one of its many efforts, the Delhi government has deployed over 2,000 environment marshals across the city to generate awareness about its anti-pollution campaign. It is a part of recently launched anti-pollution campaign called Red Light On, Gaadi Off. Delhi government has deployed environment marshals across the city to generate awareness about its anti-pollution campaign. The government is using anti-smoke towers, use of public transport to be encouraged rather than personal vehicles. The government may also hike parking fee, ban on use of diesel generator sets if air quality turns poor, night patrolling by pollution control authorities to check for dust in industrial emissions and burning of waste, mechanized sweeping, sprinkling of water on roads to settle dust on the ground. If situation turns severe, GRAP recommends closure of brick kilns, stone crushers and hot mix plants. If pollution reaches emergency levels, entry of trucks in Delhi will be stopped and a ban on construction activities may be imposed. Delhi has been experiencing increased level of air pollution for several years now. Being it the national capital, there are a number of reasons that makes it one of the most polluted cities in the country. While the government, both at the center and state, have claimed that precautions are being taken, one would only be able to judge on how well did Delhi manage to curb it when it will enter peak winter season. For India TV Digital, Shashwat Bhandari's report.